Hariharan, do you agree with that? The fact that the negative publicity was so much that it's taken some of the sheen away, and while the opening ceremony has helped things, but not as much as having everything in order in the way that Beijing did. Having everything in order would have played a bigger, better role, as opposed to, getting it right and then everybody saying, oh, let's now raise a warm round of applause because we got the opening ceremony right.
I would agree with that, because if you yesterday's news, I was seeing that a lot of top athletes, they want to come to Delhi now and participate. What put them off was all this. And similarly, a lot of people who wanted to go to the games were put off because of this. And I just hope that they come in time and watch the games. That's the most important thing.
Okay. I also want to know from you, Viraf, there's been talk that all the energy was focused on the opening ceremony. The closing ceremony, people haven't even got a chance yet to go out to the stadium and practice. Is that true, or is that just the Cassandras in action once again? Is it true that there's so much focus on the opening ceremony that nobody really knows, that even the rundown of the closing ceremony is not finalized yet? Where is the truth?
I think this is once again not true. We have been planning parallelly to opening the closing ceremony. Everything is in order. In fact, the rehearsals are on from last 1 week back. We started rehearsing already for the closing ceremony at multiple locations, and everything is on. The closing ceremony is very much on track, and it's done all over the world. I mean, opening ceremony gets the first priority. Opening ceremonies are always larger than the closing. We have just finished the opening ceremony. All our energies are going to be more on the closing ceremony now, but there's a separate team. We have a massive team which has been working for the last 6 months only on closing ceremony. So once again, this is all wrong information. Everything is on track for the closing ceremony. Only thing is, yes, there's a little bit of truth in one thing, that we might not have a rehearsal at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium for the closing ceremony, but that's the case with every sporting event. I mean, because the last sport takes place about a day or a day and a half before the closing ceremony, the last athletics that happens.
How important is that?
We obviously get very
the final rehearsal at the venue where the closing ceremony will happen. How important is that?
See, it is very important to have rehearsals. Now, what we've done is off-site at, say, Army Parade Grounds, we have created a replica of the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium footprint. And we rehearse with the entry points, exit points, transitions, with the army, the protocol segments, the cultural segments, the creative segments. Everything is already being rehearsed. When we performed in Melbourne at the closing ceremony of Melbourne Commonwealth Games 4 years ago, when India was handed over the flag and we did the 11-minute segment there, we got no rehearsals there. There was no rehearsal. Nobody got a rehearsal.